This may sound wild, but if you eat this salad today, I guarantee you, tomorrow you'll wake up 2 pounds lighter. No tricks, no restrictions, simple physiology. This recipe is how you make your body work with you as opposed to against you to help you trigger weight loss. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. Welcome back to my Drop 10 in 30 series. This is my 4th video on how to lose 10 pounds in 30 days without restrictive diets and exhaustive exercises. And most importantly, how to keep them off. This natural approach works for all age categories, but it comes especially helpful for those women who are 35 plus because that's the age our hormones start playing tricks on us, making it very difficult to lose weight and actually make us gain weight, especially around our belly. In today's video, I'm sharing a recipe of a salad that is so simple yet so powerful for weight loss. So you actually get to tip those scale into your favor. Those 2 pounds that I promised in the beginning of the video are the reality. And you're going to do it easy, relaxed. No walking around hungry or stuffing your face with something that doesn't taste good or something that you don't like. This salad is simple, delicious, filling, and so loving to your entire body, especially your gut. Let's go. This is more than just a salad. I suggest you use it as your offload day meal, a kind of reset your body actually responds to. What that means is you're going to be eating the salad all day, only the salad, nothing else, at least once a week. Better yet, twice, especially if you're working toward a weight loss goal. Make those non-consecutive days, okay? Instead of fasting, which can spike cortisol and make weight loss harder, offload days help your body feel safe enough to actually release weight. I started with my favorite spice blend. It boosts flavor and adds nutritional value. I have a video on that if you're curious. Feel free to use your own blend. Notice the oil I'm using is MCT oil. For a reason, it bypasses digestion. It is pure energy for our brain and cells. It fuels the liver. It helps your body burn fat instead of storing it. There's also apple cider vinegar for blood sugar support and more fat burning. A little red onion for prebiotics, garlic for detox, and of course, sauerkraut, the body of the salad. That's your probiotic powerhouse. I have a video on how to make it too. Then I top everything with avocado for healthy fat and glutathione your liver loves. Just eat this salad whenever you're hungry on your offload days. No calorie counting, just real healing food. This is it. This is what I call a mono meal, a mono diet approach. One simple meal, powerful impact. And if you want more healing recipes like this one, better yet, organized for you into a healing plan, you need my Gut Rebalance Cookbook. I'll put the link below. Well, let me know if you're making this tonight.